For preparing paper mache bowl, first of all we have to take two newspaper, and after that we have to cut into a stripes. After that we have to collect all the stripes and cut into a very small pieces. If any pieces remain big, then again we will take it and cut into a very small pieces. After that, you dip all the newspapers into the water and it will remain overnight. We have to put half soaked newspaper and 1 glass of water into the mixie jar.
We have to pour into the sieve all the mixture and press it with our fingers and squeeze it continuously so it get convert into a thick pulp. We have to take this paper pulp in a big size of plate. Now we have to take 1 katori rice flour. If we are not having the 1 katori rice flour, then we can take 1 katori rice and churn into the mixie and make a fine powder. After that we have to take 3 spoons of powder and we have to add 1 katori of water in it. After that we have to mix it well and pour in any big size of vessel. And we have to boil it at least 10 to 15 minutes. After boiling, we get a thick consistency of paste. This paste we have to say the rice flour paste. Yes, here we have to take 1 plate and in it we have to put this paper pulp and the rice flour paste and let them cool. After cooling this, we have to add the rice flour powder in it and mix it well and convert into a thick consistency. As if you have seen, we are kneading with your one hand and it will convert into a dough and it should be very smooth so we can work out very properly. Now after this, for making this paper mache ball, we have to need coconut oil or Vaseline. Out of that, any one thing we must be have there. We have to apply the coconut oil at the back side of the ball. We have to take the small amount of paper mache pulp and we have to put this pulp at the back side of this bowl And like this very small amount of paper mache pulp we have to take and cover the whole surface of the back side of this bowl. And this way we have to cover the whole surface into a thick amount of coating of this paper mache pulp. If our coating is not very thick, then ball getting cracks. So it is very necessary कि we have to put the thick consistency of paper pulp around this ball, and we have to make it smoothen with